guys, so I just received a ZL1 Addons tow hook and a license plate holder, and I'm going to do a quick install. Right, here they are. So the license plate holder, and a tow hook. I'm going to be removing the tow hook part and install the license plate holder on this. Unfortunately, in New Jersey, we are required to have a front license plate, but for the times when I may be going to a show or something like that, I will remove the license plate and put the tow hook back in. Alright, so one Lee grill has this little cover that covers the tow hook entrance, so it's actually pretty simple to remove. Just a couple tabs, and it pops right out. And once you remove it, the hole for where the tow hook will go in gets exposed. So let's put it in. Okay. So what I'm going to do right now, I'm just going to remove the tow hook part and install the license plate bracket. Okay. All right. All right, so this is how the bracket will go. And it is going to get mounted by using this bolt that came with the package. It does require an Allen key, which I'm going to get in a second. Alright. And that's basically it. Looks much cleaner than drilling the holes into your stuck bumper, and sort of out of the way, doesn't completely block the front grille. So I hope this video was helpful for you guys. Stay tuned for the next video when I'm going to install the ZL1 Addons rock guards. Alright, take care.